A long hair is a great foundation for you to freely transform your style from elegant to sexy, pure to noble. There are many beautiful bun hairstyles for girls with long hair. Let's experiment with beautiful and simple braids for long hair. The heart bun brings a sweet beauty, exalting the absolute femininity of every girl. To make this hairstyle, you need to prepare a comb, hair ties, large hair ties, bobby pins, hairspray. Step 1. Use a thin elastic band to tie the three corners of the big ruffled hair band to create a heart shape. So you've got a heart-shaped headband. Step 2. Tie your hair into a high ponytail. Step 3. Use a heart-shaped hair tie made in step 1 to thread it into the ponytail, so that it covers the inner ponytail. Step 4. Spread the covered hair around the bun and fix it with an elastic. Step 5. Spray glue to fix the heart shape. Step 6. Twist the excess hair around the bun and pin it with bobby pins. This is the simplest bun you can do at home. With just a few small steps, you can easily change it to suit all situations when going to work, going out or going to a party. Step 1. Remove all tangled hair and comb it smoothly. Use an elastic band hair tie. Build hair. Divide your hair into 2 in a 2:1 ratio. Step 2. One hand holds the larger section of hair, the other hand holds the end of the hair and then slowly wraps it around the elastic. Use pins to fix. Step 3. Braid a smaller strand of hair and wrap it around the bun created in step 2. Use bobby pins to secure. Puff up the bun for a natural look. Step 4. Spray a little glue to keep the hair longer. If you are going to a party, you can keep your hair in a high bun on the top of your head. Next, you mess up to create volume for the bun and add accessories to add elegance and glamour. You can also leave a few sideburns loose on your face to add charm and elegance. The garlic bun is suitable for both short and long hair. This style of bun is popular not only because it is easy to do but also can be transformed into many hairstyles: high garlic bun, low garlic bun, whole head garlic bun, half head garlic bun, two-side garlic bun. Basically, to vermicelli garlic, you just need to do the following steps. Step 1. Untangle and smooth your hair. You can tie your hair high or low, tie it in a ponytail or split it into 2 curls depending on your preference. Step 2. Use one hand to fix the hair tie to make the post, the other hand to twist the hair neatly and wrap the hair in a circle around the hairpin at the post. Use 2 index fingers to expand the hair loop just wrapped, 2 thumbs push the hair inside out. Hairpins can both be used to fix the hair, and also as an accessory to adorn the hair. This is a quick bun. Once you get used to it, you only need 1 minute to finish your bun. Hopefully with the above beautiful and simple bun methods will help you have many options in transforming your hair with your favorite bun hairstyle.